When dealing with rental property repairs, there are a few strategies to follow. Take decisive action. While it can be tempting to leave a problem in order to save money, issues like damp and mould and broken gutters won't go away of their own accord and will merely end up costing you significantly more to remedy in the long term. It's much better to act quickly and decisively when a problem first arises. Don't be afraid to shop around. It's never wise, of course, to cut corners and pay a lower amount for shoddy or substandard work, but that doesn't mean you have to pay top dollar either. It's a pragmatic move to get plenty of quotes from reputable tradespeople and ensure you're getting the most cost-effective service. As well as phoning and meeting tradespeople in person, there are now specific websites which enable you to get a number of quotes at the click of a button. Service on a regular basis. It's vital that you service frequently your boilers, cookers and other appliances to ensure they are working as they should be and are completely safe for your tenant. Servicing regularly can also reduce the chances of anything going wrong in the future. Invest time and money. To keep your property in good condition, you need to dedicate enough time and be willing to pay for its upkeep on a regular basis, which will, in the long run, save you money as you will save on an expensive repair bill. You should ideally put aside money to cover emergencies for situations where your tenant leave and you're left with an empty property temporarily. And remember, if you own an old property, it's more likely to need more in the way of maintenance. Develop mutual beneficial relationships. When renting out homes, you are likely to turn and work with some tradespeople time after time, especially if you are reliable and do a good job. You should try and keep your professional relationship friendly and productive. And you might find that your loyal custom in reward for discounts from these contractors. And ensure that you have someone to turn to on a regular basis who could handle a job if they are temporarily unavailable. Conduct inspections. As a landlord, part of your role should be to inspect your property regularly, with tenants not always aware of how to carry out even basic maintenance at home. In some cases, they will tell you about problems until they leave behind the property. So regular checks therefore help you to give you a good idea about the state of the property and can enable you to conduct preventive maintenance when it's required. Please share this information with others, subscribe and like this post. Until next time, I'm Richard Cook for Fife Properties TV.